How to live chat in Bybit fast. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to get live chat in Bybit with the support. First up, after you open up your Bybit app like this, go to your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile like this, so the next thing to do now, you tap on this support option. So after you tap on the support, now you tap on this start asking. So from this option now, the next thing to do now, just as you can see now. So for the first time here, as you can see it, you say, hello, I'm here by bot. So as you can see now, the first thing now, they'll just link you to bot. So now if you want to chat with real man, just go and type in this question like this. I need human review, human support. So go ahead and type in this, I need human support. So tap on the send button. Then scroll to down. So as you can see now, after you type in this, I need human support, as you can see now, from there, just type in I need human support several times. After you type in I need human support several times, so as you can see now, from there, they will give you this option where it says connect to live agent. This one. So as you can see here is the option now, connect to live agent. So now if I tap on this connect to live agent, so now from there it will just link me to a live agent on the Bybit. And that's it guys on how to live chat in Bybit support. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.